Looking for oceanfront living or an in-ground pool? At 622 Janice Lane, you can have both.
Welcome inside this 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom luxury home.
First off is the living room with vaulted ceilings, a propane fireplace, and panoramic water views.
The bright dining room has doors to both decks and leads to the sunroom with a wood-burning fireplace.
Next is this stunning kitchen with plenty of workspace, including a large island, as well as the wet bar and a walk-in pantry just around the corner.
Off the foyer, you'll find an office space and a powder room.
The bright primary bedroom has doors to the deck, 2 walk-in closets,
and a luxurious ensuite bath with a soaker tub, tile shower, and 2 vanities.
Off the kitchen, you'll find the laundry room and access to the 3-bay garage.
Up the stairs, you'll find the loft bedroom with an ensuite bathroom.
Let's head downstairs.
The rec room has its own wet bar, propane fireplace, and doors to the backyard.
This show-stopping backyard starts with the in-ground pool,
Stairs down to a private fire pit,
and of course we can't forget that you're right on the coast of the Atlantic Ocean.
This home has a geothermal heat pump and air conditioning.
And if you're not looking for year-round living, the home also generates great Airbnb income.
The lower level also has plenty of storage and its own private gym.
This level has 2 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom.
And this room also has a walk-in closet and doors to the backyard.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 622 Janice Lane,
Visit Realtor.ca.